Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send confirmation message on WhatsApp for GrooveSell order. So here I am selling my products with the help of an e-commerce store, that is GrooveSell, and my objective is that whenever a new order will be placed by a customer on GrooveSell for a particular product, then automatically I want to send a WhatsApp notification for the order confirmation to that customer. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between GrooveSell and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect works on two principles, trigger and action. So in trigger we are going to take GrooveSell, and in action we are going to take WhatsApp Cloud API, through which we are going to send WhatsApp template messages to each of the customer automatically. And here we are going to set up the connection between these two applications to automate this entire process step by step. And to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all towards my screen. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how we can automatically send a WhatsApp notification for order confirmation to our customers whenever a purchase will be made by a customer in GrooveSell. So I'm selling my products with the help of GrooveSell, which is an amazing e-commerce platform, and I want to send a WhatsApp notification to the customers for their purchase. And I'm going to automate this entire process by setting up a connection between GrooveSell and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software where we can connect multiple applications without the requirement of any coding and programming skills to automate all our repetitive tasks just in minutes. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user like me, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm going to click on sign in. And this is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create different folders over here to save our workflows accordingly. As you can see, I have multiple folders. I have saved all my workflows in these different folders. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option, and here a dialog box has appeared. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send confirmation message on WhatsApp for GrooveSell order. After giving the name, here I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. So as you can see, I have multiple folders. I want to save my workflow in this particular folder, automations for e-commerce store. I have selected that, and now let's click on create. As we run that, we can see that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. Now, as I told you that Pabbly Connect runs on these two principles. So basically we can say that trigger and actions are the building blocks of our automation on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many actions as we want. Now let's suppose here, because I want that whenever a new purchase will be made in GrooveSell, so the response should be captured. So I'm going to take GrooveSell in my trigger, and I want to send WhatsApp message to the customers. Therefore, I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API over here in my action step. Now clearly we can see that action is following what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the purchase is made in GrooveSell, then only a WhatsApp notification will be sent to the customer, otherwise not. So after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start setting up the connection. First of all, we have to select our trigger application to start this workflow, and here our trigger application will be GrooveSell. So let's select that. Now we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. Here we have product purchase as our trigger event, because we want that as soon as a new product will be purchased in GrooveSell, then immediately and instantly the response could be captured, and as soon as the response will be captured, automatically the workflow should get start with that. As we have done that, here we can see that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. So we have to follow these instructions step by step to set up our connection, and for which the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from GrooveSell towards Pabbly Connect whenever a purchase will be made. So first of all, I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So first of all, you have to log into your GrooveSell's account. I've already done that, so I'm going to take you towards my account, and here we have to go towards funnels and products. After coming over here, we can see that these are all the products I have in my account. So on the sale of whichever product you want to capture the response, you have to select that specific product from these list. So I want that whenever the chair will be sold, that means a chair will be purchased by a customer, then I want to capture the response for that. So we have to go towards manage products, and here we can see the option of edit. So let's select edit option. Now here you can see that fulfillment is given. So we have to select fulfillment from top. And now you can find the option of webhook. So let's select that. After coming on webhook, here we have to set up the connection with the help of the webhook URL which we have copied. So I will simply remove the existing URL from here. And now we will simply paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect recently, and we will simply click on save. As we have done that, our webhook is set up. So now I'm going to go back towards product section, and here when we have set up the webhook successfully, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission, and how we are going to do that? By purchasing a product in GrooveSell which we have connected. So I have connected this chair, so I'm going to go towards checkout links of this product, and now we'll click on this cart icon. So this is the link of the checkout page of our product, that is chair. So I'm going to simply copy that, and now I'm going to open it in a new tab so that I can make a test purchase. The checkout page is open, and here you can see that this is the product chair which we have connected. This is the amount to be paid, and these are all the details which the customer will have to fulfill in order to make the purchase. So let's start with the name. Here I'm going to make a dummy purchase, therefore I'm going to enter all the dummy details. Let's say the name of the person who is purchasing the product is Smart, and the last name is user. So the name is Smart User, and let's say the email is smartuser390@pabblytudes.com. Now the customer will have to enter the billing information. So let's say I'm going to give the company name as ABC, just a random name. The phone number is, let's say, this, and here I'm going to enter the street address, that means the shipping address of the customer. So let's say here the address is 12 New Street. I'm going to enter a random city, let's say Bhopal, a postal code. Now here I'm going to enter a dummy card details because I'm doing a test submission. So here is the test card number, a random expiry date, and CVV along with the zip code. Okay, now I'm going to click on complete purchase, and the payment is successful. So this means that the purchase is made successfully. So now we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect to check whether we have received the response. And yes, here we can see that we have already received the response over here. In this response, we have received all the details. Here's the product name, that is purchased. This is the product ID. Okay, here are the details of the customer who has purchased this product. This is the first name, last name, email, address, phone number. The amount is also given which is being paid. This means that our connection is absolutely successful. So now whenever the product which we have connected will be purchased over there in GrooveSell account, the response of that product purchase will be automatically captured over here in Pabbly Connect. And because our objective is to send a notification to the customer who has made this purchase for the order confirmation, therefore we have to set up the connection between WhatsApp and Pabbly Connect now. So I'm going to send the template message on WhatsApp to each and every customer with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So here our action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. Let's select that. Now we have to select the action event, and that will be send template message. We'll click on connect, and here we have two options, add new connection or select existing connection. Now to build a new connection, you have to go with add new connection. But in case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now as we have selected add new connection, we have to enter three details: token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. For getting them, first of all, you have to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after doing that, you will find all these details under Meta for Developers. So I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers. This is app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API. And here we have to go towards WhatsApp. And then we have to click on API Setup. Under API Setup, we will find all the details. So this is the temporary access token. Here's the phone number ID. And this is WhatsApp business account ID. Now, this is just a temporary access token which I am using because I have a temporary setup of WhatsApp Cloud API account. But in case if you have to set up a permanent access token and you want to get a permanent token, then you have to click on this Learn More button, and you will find all the steps which you have to follow in order to generate that, along with the video which we have already created. Alright, now here we will simply copy the temporary access token. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. The next is the phone number ID. So let's copy that as well, and we will paste it over here. And at last we will copy the WhatsApp business account ID, and let's quickly paste that. Now as we have pasted all the details, let's click on save, and in this way you have to find all the details to set up the connection. After this, we can see that WhatsApp Cloud API account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after building this connection, we have to send a WhatsApp message to our customers. For that, we have to select the template by using which we have to send the message. So I'm going to once again take you towards WhatsApp Cloud API. When we'll scroll down over here under API setup, we will see the option of to create your own message template. Click here. So when you will do that, so it has taken us towards message template section. Now these are all the templates which I have already created for different purposes. For sending WhatsApp notification to my customers for their purchase, I have created this new template with a name as order notification. So you can create your template by clicking on this create template button over here. I'm going to show you the template which I have created. So here's the preview of the message. Thank you for your order, dear name. So here I have used a variable. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order has been placed successfully. And now here the order details are given, the item name and the amount to be paid. So you can see that on this message, I have used multiple variables. So variables are the values which are going to be replaced automatically with each and every new response. Here, wherever I want that data should get replaced automatically with each and every new customer, there in that place I have used variables. In the same manner, you can use variables as much as you want to create your customized template to be sent to each and every customer in the customized format. So now when we have used variables, all the details in the place of variables are going to be replaced automatically whenever a new response will be captured from GrooveSell. Alright, so here you can see that I have also used a action button, visit website. So if the customer will have any kind of query or feedback related to the order they have placed, they can visit the website by clicking on this button directly. Now once you will complete your template, you also have to send it for approval, and when it will be approved, you will be able to easily use it over here in order to send the WhatsApp message. My template is already approved, so here I'm going to select that. You can see that my template name is already selected over here, order notification, the language code and the template ID is also selected. And now we have to enter other details. So first of all, we have to enter the recipient mobile number, that on which number you want to send this message. I want to send the message to the customer who has recently placed the order in GrooveSell, and we have already received the details of that customer in our earlier response. So we will simply map the data. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and here are all the details. So whatever data you want, you can simply select that and it will be mapped. So this is the phone number of the buyer. I'm going to select that and it is mapped. So when we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So whenever a new customer is going to make a new purchase in GrooveSell and the response will be captured, automatically the number, because we have mapped that, is going to be replaced in this field with a new number of that new customer. And in this way, we will be able to automatically send WhatsApp messages to all our customers without manual efforts. But in case if we will enter this data manually by copy and pasting or by typing, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace automatically. Therefore, the workflow will get stuck. So to automate the process, we generally use mapping. Now the next is body field. So you can see I have used three variables. First is for name, the next is for product name and the amount. So here we have to enter the values which we want to be added in place of these variables in the template. So first of all, in the place of name, I'm simply going to map the name of the customer. So we have already received the name of the customer. This is first name. I have mapped the first name and now with a space, I'm going to map the last name as well. So here the full name becomes smart user. Now the next is the product name, what product he has purchased. So when we'll scroll down, this is the product name. I will simply map that and now we have to enter the amount which is paid. Okay, so here I'm going to scroll down. This is the amount. I have mapped that. So when I have mapped all these details, so they are going to change automatically. And in this way, we will be able to automatically send WhatsApp messages to all our customers. Now we will simply have to click on save and send test request button. But before that, one more thing I have to tell you, because this is the dummy phone number which I have entered while making the payment in GrooveSell. Therefore, to send a real message, I'm going to enter my own phone number over here. All right, after entering the real phone number, you will simply click on save and send test request button. And here we can see that the response is captured. In this response, it is given that the message status is accepted. That means the message is sent on the number which we have mapped. So let's go and check whether the message is received on this number or no. And yes, here on WhatsApp, the message is received. Thank you for your order. Dear smart user, thank you for shopping with us. Your order has been successfully placed. Order details are, the item name is chair and the amount paid is 1500. The estimated delivery date is 3 to 5 working days and all other details are given. So this means that our connection is absolutely successful. So now as soon as a new order will be placed in GrooveSell, automatically the message will be sent as a notification to the customer. So now I'm going to go back towards GrooveSell and here I'm going to place one more order. So I'm going to copy this link of the chair once again. I will open it in a new tab. and I will simply make another purchase so that we can check whether the response is coming as a WhatsApp message or not. So let's say this time the name of the person who is purchasing the product is test customer and the email is test678@pabblytudes.com. Now here I'm going to enter the company, that is, let's say, test, and here a random phone number. The address is 3 New Street. The city is again, let's say, Bhopal. The postal code is, and the country is India. And here's the state, Madhya Pradesh. Once again, I'm going to enter the dummy card details, a random phone number, a random expiry date, along with the zip code. Now I'm going to click on complete purchase. And here's the purchase is successfully made. So let's go and check whether automatically a WhatsApp notification is received. And because I have entered my phone number over here in the workflow, so I'm going to receive the WhatsApp notification for each and every order over here. And yes, once again, we can see that the message is received. This time we can see that the name is completely changed and the customer name is test customer. The order details are same. So this means that our workflow is absolutely running fine. So we will quickly summarize what we have done over here in this workflow. So we have taken 2 simple steps: trigger and action. In trigger we have taken GrooveSell, and in action we have taken WhatsApp Cloud API, and we have set up a connection between these 2 applications with the help of Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new product will be purchased in GrooveSell, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to the customer that their order is confirmed. Now in the same manner, you can also set up this connection for sending WhatsApp notification to your customers for their orders. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.